All right, hello students. Even though this is not the first class, this is actually my first video for you guys. So I'm gonna see how well it works. And if you have any feedback, please let me know. So today I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the A sound. A is a diphthong. A diphthong is basically two vowel sounds together. And if you want to take out your phonemic chart, sorry, it's backwards, you'll notice that the A is actually E and I together. And you'll notice, right, you'll think, why does that make an A sound? It's E and I, right? But I want to show you what happens to our mouth. So if you need to, go and get a mirror, or you can go into the bathroom. I want you to really check how your mouth moves. Okay, let's start with the sound. Again, my mouth is not rounded. It's almost like I'm smiling. And my jaw is a little bit down, right? Now let's do the sound. Okay, my jaw goes up for the sound. I. Let's put it together. I. What do you notice? Hopefully you notice that when you make the transition from to I, your tongue pulls back a little bit. Let's try it again. I. Do you feel your tongue moving? Hopefully you do. The other thing is that my jaw goes up. Check yourself. I. Now, if we say this really quickly and together, you'll start to hear that A sound. Okay? Repeat after me. A. So as you're moving your tongue back, instead of making just a pure I sound, it makes an A sound. Try it again. A. So it actually creates that diphthong naturally. Now, we don't say A every time, right? Of course, we make an A sound. A. But what's happening is that your tongue is moving back and your jaw is moving up. Okay? Look at my mouth. A. Hopefully you can feel your jaw moving and your tongue moving. Now, usually for Taiwanese students, the A sound by itself is no problem. You can even use words like ate. For example, I ate something, ate, right? Or say, I say something, say. But the problem comes when we add an M or an N sound. I think it's because students really want to make that M sound, and so they forget to move their tongue back to make the A sound. And it becomes, for example, sem instead of same. Can you hear the difference? Sem. We don't want that. Same. We got that A sound. Now, if you have trouble making that sound with an M or an N, that's okay. You have to practice. And the way to practice is, number one, to say it really, really long. For example, same. You can make a really long vowel because you're just practicing, but you need to get that A sound before you move on to the M sound. Again, same. Just like that. The other thing that you can do is to cut the word. Again, we can use same as an example. Okay, so you start with the vowel, the diphthong, A. Say. Same. You'll notice that my say and same are exactly the same A sound. You also need your A sounds to match. If you notice that say and same don't sound the same, it's because you're not bringing your tongue to the back like you need to, or perhaps you're not closing your jaw like you need to. So again, it's up to you to really take a look at your mouth, either by using a mirror or by going into the bathroom, and then making sure that it matches what my mouth looks like. So we're going to practice a couple of those just with the M or N. Repeat after me. Came, came. Next one. Paint, paint. Next one. Rain, rain. Now, if you can make the longer words but not the shorter words, that's okay. For now, just focus on really perfecting that A sound. And once you get that A sound, you can move on to the next sound. Okay? Now, take a look on page 15, the handout that I gave you, and just repeat after me. We're just going to go through. Okay? 8, ape, age, apron, aim. There we have the M sound again. Aim, ale, able, ache, 8, April. Okay, next line. Same. Oh, we'll wait for that. There we go. All right, let's keep going. Rain, came, paper, lake, date, table, place, break, paint, way, say, day, way, again, different spelling, lay, may, they, obey, away, stay. Last group. Late, sane, safe, hate, lady, main, fail, wait, grain, raise, day, bay, hay, ray, play, 8, way, sleigh, freight, neighbor. Okay? I want you to practice those before you come to class, and if possible, I want you to practice with a partner. So, for example, if I have a partner, I'm going to say the words, and then my partner will listen and tell me if there are any problems. Then I'll listen to my partner. If you're unsure, just listen to my video again and make sure that your A sound matches with my A sound. Okay? Good luck, and I'll see you in class.